Are you fully equipped to stay safe on your rides? Discover the essential gear that could make all the difference in your biking experience. Here is the list of the top 9 safety gadgets for bikes that every rider should consider. Number 9. ScorpionEXO. At 960 helmet. Imagine cruising down a scenic highway, the wind rushing past, and your bike gliding effortlessly. But safety comes first, right? That's where the ScorpionEXO at 960 helmet steps in. A top-tier adventure helmet that combines style, safety, and versatility. The helmet's dual-position mouth vent allows for great airflow, doubling as a defroster in cold conditions. The wide eye port enhances your view of the road, keeping you aware of everything around you. Its lightweight LG polycarbonate shell and multi-layer EPS absorb energy during impact, providing excellent protection. The Quick C liner ensures you stay dry, and it's designed to accommodate eyeglasses comfortably. Whether you're hitting off-road trails or cruising through city streets, the XOAT 960 adapts, making it a must-have safety gadget for any serious rider. Complete with Bluetooth integration, this helmet ensures you're connected, focused, and ready for the next adventure. Number 8. Alpinestars. Phenom Air Gloves. What's the top-tier safety gadget keeping your hands protected when hitting the road? The Alpinestars Phenom Air Gloves, built for riders who demand unbeatable comfort and protection in one. It is made from premium soft goat leather. These gloves contour to your hands, while the perforated back ensures breathability. Protection is no issue with TPU hard knuckle armor, keeping you safe without compromising on flexibility. The finger flex zones allow easy movement, and the synthetic suede grip panel adds extra control. Plus, the elastic patch at the thumb crook boosts comfort for long rides. Need to use your phone or GPS? The touchscreen-compatible fingertips have you covered. A blend of style, safety, and convenience makes these gloves the ultimate riding gear. Number 7. REV'IT Moto 2 Jeans. The next most important safety gadget for bikers is the REV'IT Moto 2 Jeans. These riding jeans combine high-level protection with modern style, making them essential for any rider. Built with tough 15 ounces, Cordura-registered trademark denim, they offer excellent abrasion resistance. They come equipped with C-Smart CE Level 1 armor at the knees and hips, providing lightweight impact protection without sacrificing comfort. Designed with a tapered fit for both comfort and a sleek look, the jeans feature adjustable knee armor to ensure a perfect fit for all leg lengths. Stretch accordion panels allow for smooth movement during longer rides, while reflective strips on the cuffs add visibility in low-light conditions. With 5 pockets and triple needle stitching, these jeans are as functional as they are stylish, ready for the road ahead. Number 6. Alpinestars Back Protector. The next one of the most crucial safety gadgets for bikers is the Alpinestars Nucleon KR1 Back Protector. Designed with advanced cell technology, this lightweight protector offers remarkable flexibility and comfort, making it a perfect addition under your race suit or any riding gear. Crafted from a high-performance polymeric material blend, it balances optimal flexibility with excellent weight-saving properties. With 3 waist-to-shoulder dimensions, it caters to all body sizes. The extended lower back protection ensures added safety, while highly perforated sections maximize breathability during long rides. Horizontal flexion grooves allow for an adaptive fit in various riding positions. The adjustable, detachable shoulder straps enhance comfort, and it's compatible with the Nucleon KRC chest protector and KRTB tailbone protector for comprehensive coverage. Complete with a soft biofoam padded chassis and a height-adjustable kidney belt, the KR1 is essential for every serious rider's safety arsenal. Number 5. Leatt Dual Axis Knee and Shin Guards. One of the top safety gadgets for bikers looking to protect their legs is the Leatt Dual Axis Knee and Shin Guards. Engineered for comfort and protection, these guards feature 2 pivot points that move naturally with your knees, ensuring optimal flexibility during rides. They provide extensive coverage, protecting the knee, lower thigh, and much of the lower leg while meeting CE impact safety standards. Weighing only 1.9 pounds, 850 grams per pair, they are light and comfortable, allowing for greater freedom of movement than many other CE-certified systems. Their slim design means they fit seamlessly over or under riding pants and work well with boots. With 9 large vents for breathability, you'll stay cool on hot rides. Made from high-density polyethylene and washable Leatt foam, the strap system is designed to resist binding, making this knee and shin guards a must-have for every serious rider. Number 4. Alpinestars BNS Pro Neck Brace. When it comes to essential safety gear for bikers, the Alpinestars BNS Tech 2 neck support is a game changer. This innovative neck support features a bioorganic engineering design that enhances ergonomics and comfort. The rear stabilizer promotes progressive force relief, PFR, dissipating energy loads across the back and shoulders while keeping them away from the spine. The lightweight frame improves contact with your helmet during impacts, while the quick-release locking system allows for easy fitting and removal. Its compressed EVA foam padding distributes impact forces over a wide area, ensuring maximum protection without added weight. Resilient even in temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, this neck support maintains strength and rigidity without compromise. With a customizable fit through its size adapter system and adaptable foam padding, the BNS Tech 2 is an indispensable safety gadget for bike rider. Number 3. Gaerne Balance Oiled Boots. The Gaerne Balance Oiled Boots are designed for durability and performance, making them a top choice for bikers who prefer safety. Crafted from full-grain oiled leather, these boots offer exceptional resilience and a classic look. The breathable Gaerne Drytech membrane ensures they are waterproof, keeping your feet dry and comfortable in various weather conditions. Featuring 3 alloy replaceable buckles, the boots provide a secure fit and allow for easy adjustments on the go. The gum rubber sole enhances comfort and maximizes bike control, giving you the confidence you need on the road. Plus, with CE certification, you can trust that these boots meet rigorous safety standards, making them a reliable addition to your riding gear. Number 2. Alpinestars GP Plus Airflow Jacket. When it comes to essential safety gear for bikers, at number 2 is the Alpinestars GP Plus Airflow Jacket. This jacket expertly blends durability with comfort, made from high-quality, abrasion-resistant leather that can withstand the rigors of the road. With class-leading Nucleon Flex Plus protection integrated into the shoulders and elbows, it ensures maximum safety without sacrificing flexibility. The innovative RIDE-KNIT technology enhances stretchability, providing an optimal fit and comfort while riding. With airbag system, this jacket offers an added layer of protection, featuring a low-profile collar, ventilation zones, and a convenient 270-degree zipper for easy attachment to riding pants. This jacket is a must-have bikers looking for style and safety on every ride. Number 1. SULAITE Motorcycle Body Armor. The most important safety gadget for bikers is the SULAITE Motorcycle Body Armor. Designed for long rides, this protective gear offers comprehensive coverage to keep you secure on the road. Made from high-density, wear-resistant nylon, it features a lightweight yet durable, stretchable lycra mesh fabric that allows for maximum ventilation. This full-body armor includes a back protector, shoulder and elbow cups, forearm protection, and a chest guard, all attached to a breathable mesh shirt. The removable spine armor and tail protector provide added safety, while adjustable straps ensure a snug fit throughout the arms and shoulders. A full zipper front closure and wide elastic waist belt with hook and loop adjustments make it easy to wear alone or under your jacket. With thumb loops to keep arm protection in place, this high-quality armor is essential for any serious motorcycle rider. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in next video.